Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Chase Bank. If you have the online banking service of Chase and if you're trying to log into your account, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Now before I move on and show you, subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more informative videos just like this. So the first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and then search for chase.com. Once you search for this, it's going to take you to the official website of Chase. You can also log into your online account using the mobile app of Chase. So from this section, you'll see an option called Sign In on the right hand side. Click on the Sign In button and it's going to take you to the Sign In section. Firstly, in this section, you'll need to type in your username that you created while signing up. And in the second box, you'll also need to type in the password. But if you happen to forgot either your username or your password, you can click on this link which says forgot username/password. And through this section, you can recover your information by filling in these details. Once you type in both of these information, you can click on sign in and you'll be successfully signed in or logged in to your Chase online banking. And lastly, if you want to stay signed in, the next time you log in, you can check this box. So that was the easy process of logging in to your Chase online banking. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.